Singapore River. Alight at exit H from Raffles MRT station. Walk towards your right. In 3 minutes you will reach Singapore River. This is the night view of Singapore River. The mouth of the Singapore River was the old port of Singapore. Singapore River is where the colorful and surprising history of the river and the myths and legends. This is where the Malayan princess once sailed. This is also where an early civilization was conquered by the Javanese Majapahit Empire in the year 1376. Sir Stamford Raffles after January 1819 when he landed also on Singapore River. The river is now part of the Marina Reservoir after damming the Singapore River at its outlet to the sea to create a new reservoir of fresh water. On this direction, you can walk straight towards Merlion Park, which is shown in our previous video. Clark Quay, which is on your left side of this view, were located restaurants that are open past midnight. Whether day or night, it is nice to stroll along the river, with cooling shade from the trees and the breeze from the cooling effect of the river. So you could explore Singapore River and Marina Bay. Let's enjoy the view of the Singapore River. Come and visit this place. A small reminder, let's save our earth. When we visit this place, throw our trash to the proper trash bin. A lot of old bridges are located along the river.